And back with my web page about my website, and I want to add a picture on this web page just to make it look a little nicer. I'm gonna put it right below this H2 right here, and the tag is called an image tag, which IMG. And that's weird. Okay, so it's one of those tags that does not have an end tag, and you don't really need it because there's no content inside the image. It's just the image. And in here we're gonna add an attribute, and it's gonna be src source equals then quotes. Then inside here you put the URL or web address to the image, and I uploaded it to my server, or not my server, but like my database or whatever, and it's and the URL is http://calebuyers.com/sunset. Now it's not showing up, it just does this thing, and it's because you need to put the file extension, which is .jpg. And it's very, not very, but it's just URLs for images and for links are case sensitive. I don't think so for links, but they might be. So just try to keep it the same. And it's case sensitive because if the name of the file was a capital S and I typed in the lowercase s, it wouldn't work. So, alright. Now, there's our picture. Now, if I mistype that, let's say I forgot that T, it doesn't show up and it does that. And so, how can we fix that? We can fix that by adding another attribute, which is just a space after the first one. It's alt, A-L-T, equals then quotes. And inside here, you put in the text that will show up if the image won't work. So I'll put in sunset picture. Alright, so since it's mistyped, sunset picture shows up. Here, let me fix this. There. Shows up when I mistyped it. So if I add the T, it just goes back to the picture, and without it, it goes back, and with, without, with. So now, another use for the alt tag is, even if like you're for sure you typed it right and you've tested it and you know it works, it's still good to add the alt tag, because blind people, sometimes they have machines that read them websites, and it explains the picture to them. And since they can't see the picture, and since pictures can't really be described with words, it reads the alt. So whatever you type in the alt is what the machine or the app or whatever it is says when it's reading over the picture. So that is how you add an image.